All right.
Okay, TJ, what I need you to do is get our vacuum and our brooms and dustpans, and we need to clean this space up a little bit. Because we're going to put a furnace right inside this room to heat this basement with. And they were supposed to do, they did a little demolition for me, but they didn't clean up very well. They got a bunch of stuff stacked and right in the path of the ductwork over here that we need to move out of the way. So we can run ductwork right across there. So this stuff is obviously in the way. So let's get all of our gear in here, get set up to get this going slick, quick, and efficient. Do it for a song. Stand by, watch this, don't blink.
This is Steve explaining what's in the box.
Do you want to pull it out first?
No, sir.
I want to pull this first out. This is a
Perfect.
96. This is a 96% efficient.
A little louder.
This is a 96% efficient two-stage gas furnace with a constant torque ECM motor. This air furnace is the Cat's Meow. This is a Rolls Royce. This here, better than Lennox, better than Train, better than all of them. I put this in my own house. In fact, I did put this in my house.
You did?
Same furnace. Yep, there's no better. It says run on the door, built by Ream. We hold Ream in high esteem. We're gonna put this here furnace right inside what used to be a linen closet here. You can see where the shelves were. Right there on this, oh, it was a closet. The shelving. We pulled that shelving out of there. And we're gonna put a furnace in there. Stand by, watch what we do. Don't blink or you might miss it.
You're gonna put it in here?
Yep, that's right.
All right.
It'll fit in there. Done it before.
Thank you. Now let's see it in action.
Just leave this metal.
Today I work my fanny on back, leave it lay. Working